Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana, yeah, could actually break out to the upside. I've got a feeling that we have a positive altcoin Saturday, but we'll see. It is a possible Elliott wave triangle that's unfolding, which could of course also break out to the upside. It's turned from a potential diagonal pattern to the downside into a triangle, with possibly still downside breakout, but it would require a move below the $204 level. So yeah, it's I don't know, it could probably turn into something different. That's what I can tell you. So the idea is we might not get, I mean, I'm showing it here, a potential for a pullback, but we might not get that pullback. Bear in mind, triangles can really break out both ways. What do triangles represent? Indecision. I also can't tell you in which direction it's breaking out, but I can tell you what to look out for, and I can tell you that the market had a chance to decline, right? Because yesterday we talked about, okay, this might be an A wave down, yeah, this might be a B wave up, and we might have started the C wave down, but I've warned you it's not impulsive, so it might morph, and then it's turned already into a, I mean, yeah, it turned into a diagonal, and it sort of became a bit choppy. Now it's turned into a potential triangle, which represents indecision. So the thing is, it had a chance to decline directly, it failed to do so. That's sometimes a signal that the bulls are strong still. And if this is indeed an Elliott wave triangle, then the invalidation point is the top, $223 roughly, right? And that means a break above that would be an indication we're breaking out directly. Okay, it's an indication. It's, I mean, overall, I don't have a very clear short-term long trade setup. A nice Elliott wave setup would be a dip into the support region and then a rally. And we've got several support levels here. And again, quick reminder that wave 2 support ends at $168.15. And I will take out the blue box, we don't need that one. But the idea, I mean, again, I know a lot of people are looking forward to that, to get maybe like an ABC, and that can still happen, right? All I'm saying is if we break above the $223 level, it at least indicates a failure of the bears. Whether it's gonna be a surge to like 250 plus is a completely different question. Because I mean, the question is, what is this? If it's a sideways, it might be a wave 4 with one more high to come. It's difficult to read this microstructure, right? At the moment, I can tell you we don't really have a short trade setup. There is a potential for a dip, however, but it would require confirmation through a break below that last swing low. Because if we're dealing with a triangle pattern, the B wave low that was located here on, well, Friday low at $204.30, yeah, that would be the confirmation level we're breaking down, or at least an indication. Confirmation is to break below the Wednesday low around $201, yeah? But again, it's we see some altcoin positivity today, and I just have the feeling like Saturday might be positive. So, you know, if we are going higher, I want to give you a more directly bullish breakout scenario. I mean, really, what I thought until yesterday, this might be a wave 2 here. Shallow, not great either. But then it hasn't really rallied impulsively. So best I could tell is in an, let's call it an alternative scenario that, okay, maybe this is a 1-2 indeed. But then the third wave is here. And this is a triangle in a fourth. And we go higher, whatever. I mean, it's difficult to read. Oh, the fourth is even here. See, this is where it's getting messy because micro counting is messy, right? So I don't want to make the impression that this is super clear. It's not. So, but again, you have some levels to watch, which I just told you, to the upside, to the downside. And bear in mind, this is only really the micro, okay? This is really only the micro we're talking about here. And that means nothing of that, what we're discussing here right now, has an impact on the bigger picture. Because if we go to the Solana larger time frame, long term, and I might make some adjustments here because I don't want to actually show the micro on the bigger picture, larger time frame chart. just not very helpful. So, and here we see pathway higher, yeah, preferred into the region 368 to 489. I regularly get the question, couldn't it be even more bullish? Yeah, I mean, yeah, but what I can tell you is that from the 2022 low, we have 5 waves up if we complete this. Well, the wave 2 pullback afterwards would be, I mean, an amazing opportunity, right? That would be an amazing opportunity. So, and therefore, in the grand scheme of things, it of course doesn't matter, 1 second, if here we get a small dip and then go higher, or we go higher more directly, okay? It's always important to see all of this in the, let's say from the right perspective. No, this was ADA, apologies. So, but yeah, it's a sideways consolidation. The bears have failed to sell off, can still happen. Triangles often happen on a weekend, but I see some potential upside pressure. And just look at ADA, look at the meme coins. And I think last weekend was quite positive as well. So just thinking, any break above 223 could indicate an upside breakout. And then I would probably first watch wave 5. Yeah, I would probably, I mean, it could even be that the wave 4 is here, but then this is like a diagonal similar to Bitcoin. Yeah, we will have to take it level by level. I don't have a clear long trade set. I mean, if you want to trade on the long side, you can always set a stop below the last low, but I just don't see a very clear pattern right now. Micro isn't always clear. So that's all I can do at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.